Yes, we have another Galaxy Unpacked event just around the corner with Unpacked 2 on the 20th of October 2021. What should we be expecting potentially to see at Unpacked 2, and are we hopefully going to get what we expected and a few added surprises? Hi, Ben from SamMobile. If you enjoy new videos like this, then be sure to like, subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss any new videos on YouTube with SamMobile TV. Here's our quick breakdown of what you might expect to see at Unpacked 2 this time round. Let's first look at the invite from Samsung, which states that our users are multifaceted and live life in so many colorful, interesting and unique ways. As such, the technology they use every day should reflect their individuality. This then brings us over to the 12 seconds Unpacked 2 event invite video. Looking at it and slowing it down, you can notice two main things happening at the same time, which focus on specific apps and also tiles of different colors. These apps are Samsung Health, Music Player, Video Player, Camera, and also SmartThings. And in terms of the colors, you do have pink, blue, black, white, and yellow. Now, initially looking at this invite video, not much is honestly given away. But then, Samsung recently, within the week after the invite, posted a 19-second video on their official YouTube channel titled, "Get ready to unfold something unmistakably you," which when the video starts immediately shows the Galaxy Studio title, with then 3 animated characters going through an assortment of different color palette collections on their display. This video here is the biggest giveaway, as the title alone states, "Get ready to unfold." We should be seeing something around Samsung's foldable devices, which could be on both the Fold 3 and the Flip 3. This could be what the 5 different colors in the invite video and also the different color palette selections in a second video with the mention of the Galaxy Studio. That's probably what it's steering towards and could mean special custom versions of their foldable flagships. And this will be interesting to see once the announcement drops. With the previous 5 apps mentioned and shown in the first invite video, we could be seeing a major redesign to the looks and also how these apps function. Now, it's very debatable if we need an Unpacked event for this, but we'll just have to wait and see, and it's really not that long to go. I think it's safe to say that at this time of the year, we are expecting to see the S21 FE. Whether that will be the case or not, especially with the recent rumors stating a pushback to January 2022 next year, the Galaxy S21 FE is the one surprise we would love to see at Unpacked 2. Be sure to stick with us at SamMobile for the latest news from Unpacked 2, as we will be covering it and keeping a close eye. For the latest news in the world of Samsung daily, be sure to visit us at sammobile.com. For the latest videos on YouTube with SamMobile TV, be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications, and we will see you next time.